Hi, today I'm going to share with you 5 things that you need to have for your wardrobe. Everybody talks about what you need on the outside. Let's see what you need on the underside. I'm Candy, I'm a Ruby Ribbon stylist, and I want to show you what I've got to help you feel comfortable, confident, ditch your bra, and have exactly what you need in your closet for every day. Ready? First of all, I'm going to show you a couple pale options because everybody needs a pale or a skin tone in their closet to go underneath certain outfits that they have. So here is a pale. There's a couple different ones I want to show you. This here is a cami. It has your molded cups here. These stretch to fit you. That's why you're able to ditch your bra, ditch the underwire, and get the lift and support that you need without that. So this is one style of pale that we have. Isn't that gorgeous? This is another. This is our lace. Same features, only it has this beautiful lace. The lace never touches your skin. It is lined. But here is the lace looking one. But let's say you have something that you need a lower cut. Don't worry, we've got that for you too. We have this low cut. There's a couple different styles, but I only have this one in the pale right now. So this is the low cut pale. Goes underneath all of your clothes. It's more of a skin tone. Did you know that wearing pale is better than wearing white? Because you can see white through some things, but the pale or the cream colors actually blend with your skin tone and makes it a little bit nicer under certain outfits. Now let's go to the black. So we basically have the same thing in your black. We have the one that looks like a tank. We have the one with the lace on it. It does have lace in the back. I did not show you that in the pale. And we have the other style in the black, but we also have this style in the black for your V-neck. So you're covering either your curved neck or your V-neck, whatever you like. We've got a pale and black for you. If you're not ready for a full cami, that's okay, because we also have what we call our demiette. Looks like a sports bra, does not fit like a sports bra, so don't be confused. This is a demiette. It has the molded cups, so you're still going to get the support that you're getting in a cami as far as up here. So this is what your demiette looks like. And you can have this style in the pale and the black. You can have, oh, there it is in the black. You can also get some white if you like white, so don't panic about that. We also have the V-neck in this style, both in the pale and the black. This is called the Athena. But some of us want to add a little color to our life, and that's okay. So as you can see right now, I have a little color in my life right now. It is perfect with this shirt. I have a nice little curve here, which means I didn't have to put on a tank top because basically I'm wearing my cami. Lift and support. See these jean leggings, love them. But that's okay. You can add all kinds of color. Did I show you this one in the demiette? This beautiful lace on the bottom comes in colors also. Our colors are seasonal. They come and go, but we always have the pale and the black. Some of them have a white. Some of them have a mocha. Not mocha, espresso, sorry. So if you're looking for the perfect underneath to your clothing, that's it. That's 3. Cami, pale black, demiette, pale black. That's 3. That's going to get you through so you don't ever have to put a bra on. But you know, we can go a little bit further because you probably want some boy shorts. These are our boy shorts. This legging down here does not move. It's a beautiful lace, but it has medical grade silicone on the bottom of it, so it stays in place. These are great underneath dresses. They just take the place of your undies. It's perfect. It keeps you smooth, no panty lines. You can even wear them under your leggings. Keeps you nice and smooth. Must have. So, 5 things that every wardrobe needs that doesn't include the outside. 2 camis, pale and black. A demiette, just in case you don't want to wear a cami. And boy shorts. Pale black, boy shorts. Oh, that's 6. Y'all need to check out that. So if you're watching this, check out with your stylist. Let her help you. get into one of those awesome things. And you know what? Add a little color while you're at it. Have a great day.